So let's begin the tutorial how to convert HEIC to JPG on iPhone. These are the pics. Now you can see this is HEIC. To check, tap on I option, tap and hold on image and tap on share. So I have two images, so I am selecting two images. Later scroll down and save to files. Let me save these files on my iPhone. Tap on save to save. Now open files and you can see images has been successfully saved. Open the image, tap on the number on the top and tap on export. Later select JPEG. I am selecting original. It is asking to save, so I am renaming this as 1. Let me do the same thing with another image. Export JPG original and let me save. Renamed as 2. Now let me check. In downloads you can see two images has been saved. Let me show you the details. Tap and hold on the image and tap on get info. Successfully converted into JPEG. To save this in photos, select photos, tap on save to images. Now these images will be shown in the albums. You can see the details. It is JPEG. Like this you can convert HEIC to JPEG on your iPhone for free of cost.